Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, battery, optical drive or optical drive dummy, hard disk drive assembly, or solid-state drive, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, top cover, and system board. Removal. Important! Ensure that the display panel assembly is properly braced to prevent it from falling backwards and damaging the display panel assembly. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the audio board to the base enclosure. Carefully remove the audio board from the retention tab, alignment pin, and cutout on the base enclosure. Place the audio board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the audio board from the static dissipative bag. Carefully tow the audio board into the cutout in the base enclosure and place the audio board onto the alignment pin and under the retention tab on the base enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the audio board to the base enclosure.